Hey guys, Tony here. Good morning. I just wanted to make a quick TA on PLTR again, just because I did have a lot of you asking, like, hey, should I wait to buy? Should I wait or should I purchase right now? If I were to actually start purchasing right now, I would probably be purchasing right now at the $25 mark. And then if it does keep dipping down, I would probably just DCA. For those of you that don't know what DCA means, it's just dollar cost averaging, right? So you would basically, if you have $10,000, you would buy, $5,000 right now. And then if we dip down again, you would buy another $5,000, depending on what the price is later on, right? But just really quickly wanted to get on here and just kind of, what is it called? Just ignore my wife. I should probably take the messages off and stuff. But as far as where we are right now, it does look like we're going to be going down to $22 for PLTR. Really quickly looking at the week chart, we actually just crossed over towards the bearish side on the MACD, and you guys know that I fully respect the MACD and the stochastic on it's super important sometimes, especially with dictating momentum towards either side, right? Either up or down. But as of right now, there is no reason for me to think that PLTR is not going to be going down and touching $22, especially if we close under $25 today. I told you guys in the beginning of the week, I think I said that, we were going to see PLTR by the end of this week at 25, depending on how bearish the movement is, or how strong it is really. And, what is it called? And also how, and also where we close today. If we do close under that 25.31 mark, I do think we're going to be headed back down to $22. I don't know if we'll hit that tomorrow. It is very possible that we could hit $22 tomorrow by end of Friday, right? Or more than likely, we can see the bleed of the full stock market kind of push PLTR down even further, and more than likely, hit this $22 mark by maybe Monday of next week or Tuesday. But as of right now, if I had to give a solid indication of where PLTR was going, 100%, I would say that it's going down. I do think it's going to be going back down to $22, 100%. If I had to give a clear indication of what my opinion is, yeah, the TA as of right now shows me that we are definitely going back down to $22. As far as time frame, I do think if that happens, we will go down to $22 before next week Friday. So right now would probably be a really good time to purchase puts, especially to hold over the weekend, and possibly Monday see that big trickle down, right? But yeah, it definitely looks like we're going to be seeing $22 within the next, within the next, week or so, a couple of days. And I do think after that, I'm not 100% sure after we hit $22 where we would go from there. There is a chance that we would drop all the way back down to $18, especially because we're so high up on the actual on the stochastic for PLTR, right? It does look like we're creating sort of a bottom on the day chart, and I do tend to think that PLTR respects the stochastic, right? So as far as right now, I do think that the bottom probably will be $22. I do think that the bottom will be $22 as of right now. I do think the bottom will be $22. I do think that's where we're headed. And as far as me buying into PLTR, I would probably buy calls like a month out as soon as we touch that $22 mark. But as of right now, more than likely, we are headed down to $22, and I do think buying puts right now is a solid play. You guys can see right now, we actually just crossed under $25. We hit the $24.99. So if we do close today under $25 or under this $25.31, there's like statistically, I would say there's like a 90% chance we touch $22. So I'll see you guys later.